Disclaimer: all information provided by Base Coach Sales is of a general nature and is only provided for educational purposes. You agree that use of this information is at your own risk, and do not hold Base or Hydro Global responsible for any and all losses, liabilities, injuries, or damages resulting from your use of the wheelchair lift. Welcome to the Base Coach Sales instructional video, demonstrating how to operate a Hydro Global wheelchair lift that is fitted over the axle on a near-plan tow liner. First, press the wheelchair activation button on the dashboard. Next, open the wheelchair door from the outside. A catch will fall into place to stop the door closing. Unlock the wheelchair locker door with a square key and take out the remote control and stand in a safe area to operate the lift. Switch on the remote using the button at the top. Press the white button which will start to make the lift move out of the locker. When it is fully out, the white button will make the lift go up and the black button make the lift go down. Raise or lower the lift until it is at a suitable height for you to comfortably access the bridge plate and the handles. Once you have got to your preferred height, pull over the bridge plate towards the wheelchair door and then lift the handles, making sure they are securely in place. To load a passenger, lower the lift to the ground using the black button. As it gets to the ground, a small ramp will fall down to make it easier to wheel the chair onto the lift. Press the white button. The lift should fold up the small ramp and start lifting the passenger up to the entrance door. The bridge plate will settle onto the wheelchair door entrance. Make sure it has lifted all the way before you stop pressing the button. When the passenger is loaded, press the black button to lower the lift to a preferred comfortable height and stow the handles by pulling the silver handle in an upward direction and folding them down against the floor of the lift. Fold the bridge plate back into its original position as shown. Press the white and black button together at the same time, and the lift will return to its starting position inside the coach. Switch off the remote and securely lock the wheelchair lift locker door with the key provided. Carefully move the restraining mechanism as shown to allow the door to close securely. Finally, close the coach front entrance door, switch off the wheelchair lift activation button on the dashboard, and turn off the handbrake interlock which is next to the wheelchair button. Only now you can move off safely. Other notes: if the handbrake interlock will not release, there are a couple of things to check. Firstly, check the wheelchair locker door is closed properly, and secondly, check the micro switch for the wheelchair locker door is operating properly and has not been damaged. Thank you for watching, and please operate safely. If you have any more questions, please ask your manager.